Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a speed clean with me. It is packed with cleaning motivation as well as laundry motivation, so get your to-do lists out and clean along with me today. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. We do anything for what we started. So before we get too far into today's video, I am so excited because it is a collaboration with Muge from Simply a Mum's Life, and I have been wanting to collaborate for such a long time because I am a huge fan of her channel. I love her videos. I find them so motivating but so relaxing at the same time. They're just so satisfying to watch, so I know that you're going to really enjoy them as well. So do pop over using the link down in my description box. Everything is going to be linked down there, so it's really easy for you to just head on over, subscribe to her channel, and also let her know down in the comments that you came from here, because we love to get to know you and we love to know where you're all from. And if you've popped over from Muge's channel, it's so good to meet you. I really do hope that you decide to stick around by clicking the subscribe button. Again, let me know in the comments if you have popped over, because I love to get to know all of my subscribers and I would love to know where you're all from. So go ahead and leave me a comment, and let's just jump straight into today's video. So once I had my bedroom all put together and ready for the day, it was time to sort out the laundry room. And as you can see, I've got a little bit of ironing to do, and whenever I've got ironing to do, I like to do it first thing in the morning because it does take me a while to get through it all. I don't know if it's just me or if I'm just a really slow ironer, but I like to get that out the way at first thing. So I'm just going to crack on with this, so I can then crack on with the rest of the laundry, because I've got a couple more wash loads to get put in. So I just want to clear this room out ready for the next wash load. So I just wanted to pop on and explain why there's a rabbit hopping around my feet, in case you haven't been here before or you haven't seen any of my videos before. This is Cinnabon. He is our free roam rabbit. We've had him for about 4 months and he is just the cutest thing ever. About a week ago, he learned how to go up and down the stairs on his own, so he now has the whole house that he can just hop around freely in. We don't have him caged or anything. So yeah, he is our free roam rabbit, and you are going to see him in pretty much every video because he does like to follow me around. He just sleeps by my feet, especially when I'm cleaning. He just likes to always be with me, which is so cute. But I just wanted to introduce him in case you haven't seen him before and you're wondering why there is a random rabbit with me whilst I'm ironing. But he's supposed to be there. He hasn't escaped his cage or anything. That's just our free roam, and yeah, he's super cute.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me.
So on this particular day, it was just one of those days when nothing seemed to go right. I had a million and one things to do and a million and one things went wrong. But whilst I was ironing, I realised that half of the clothes were still wet. They hadn't dried because I packed so much on there. So I just had to spread them out a little bit and leave it a little bit longer, and I'll just get to that later. But it doesn't matter, onwards and upwards. I can just carry on with the rest of my to-do list. So I carried on downstairs because I love to have a clean kitchen. And whenever I feel like nothing's going right, I always head to the kitchen because it's my favourite room to do, and it just brings me so much joy giving it a good clean. So I'm going to go ahead and do the washing up and just freshen up the kitchen and get it ready for the day. So once I had all the washing up done, I did go straight back in and dry up straight away. Sometimes I do leave it to air dry, or at least leave it to air dry for a little while, but on this day I just wanted to get it all finished. I felt like if I had a pile of dishes on the draining board, it would just bug me, and I wanted to go in and clean the sink and clean down all of the sides and everything and just get it ready for the day. So the sink had to be decluttered, otherwise it just didn't look finished. So if you've been here before, then you know cleaning the sink is my favourite thing to do, and almost every day I use the Cif cream and the white vinegar spray. But on this day it didn't really need much of a deep clean because I have been doing it so much lately. I've become obsessed, so I'm just going to give it a quick spray over with the Flush Kitchen spray just to make sure that it is disinfected, and then I do go in again with the white vinegar to buff it up and make it nice and shiny. But I just felt like I was wasting so much of the Cif cream. I've recently bought another one and I don't want to go through it as quick as I did the last one, but like I said, I'm a little bit obsessed with cleaning the sink. I don't know what it is, but I just feel like it really completes the kitchen. And then I can go in and fill the sink up with some Zoflora and hot water. On this day I used the summer berries. It smells so good and so fruity. It's definitely bringing summer into the house, and I always use the Zoflora whenever I'm doing the kitchen cupboards and everything. It's just so easy to use, and I can just wipe over literally everything with this stuff, and it just disinfects everything and leaves it smelling beautiful. What it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night. So I really wish that you could smell the kitchen through the camera, because it just smells so good. It smells so fresh and clean, and it definitely motivates me to keep going and get the rest of my house smelling this good. So I'm just going to swap the washing over and get the other wash load put upstairs. I'm trying to stay on top of the washing a little bit more lately. I used to just let it build up and then do one wash load a week, or on one day I'd do just a few wash loads but all in one day. Whereas now I'm trying to do a little wash load every day or every other day, and just try and keep on top of it that way, because sometimes when I let it build up, if I don't get around to doing it on the day I need to do it, we end up with no clothes. So I'm going to try and do it a bit more little and often rather than a big load all in one day. So the front room actually wasn't too bad on this day, so I just had to quickly whiz round and put a few bits back where they belong, tidying Cinnabon's toys away and things, and then I can go in and give it a good dust and hoover. It has actually been a few days, probably about a week, since I've actually dusted in here, so you can imagine how quickly it builds up. So I definitely needed to do that today and just get it nice and fresh. I feel like a good dust and hoover really transforms a room, so I absolutely love doing that, especially hoovering. it's just so satisfying. So I'm just going to whiz round, put everything back where it belongs and get it nice and fresh.
I can't believe it's already over. Too late to talk and fix whatever's broken. I always thought love like ours would last. I never knew love could pass. Tomorrow comes and you are not around. Feels uneasy. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you.
So once I had downstairs nice and fresh, ready for the day, it was time to head back upstairs and hang up the final wash load. Fingers crossed that this actually dries and I can get it ironed and put away the next day. I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video, and I hope it's given you all the motivation that you came looking for today. Please don't forget that today's video is a collaboration with Muge, and I know that she would love to have you over on her channel. So click the link in my description box and go and give her video a watch as well, because she does have another video over there waiting for you guys, and I know that you're going to absolutely love it. Don't forget to subscribe to her channel and let her know that you came from here. And if you're here from Muge's channel, I really do hope that you stick around by subscribing, and I will see you back here in the next one.